So, George, what are you most excited about for the future of this industry, maintenance and reliability?
Well, I think this is the hardest question to answer. There's all this technology stuff that's happening, right? And IoT and regressive analytics and predictive analytics. All these things are really exciting. Meanwhile, we still can't fix a sandwich. We've got to improve our skill sets at the shop floor level, because the folks that are coming up are not being trained the way the previous generation was being trained. And I think what I'm excited for is the day that we learn how to bridge the gap between technology and skill sets. Because you can put all the sensors you want in. If we're putting in bad product or somebody has altered the settings on the machine, a lot of times those sensors don't pick those things up. They just say, machine fault, stop, machine fault, stop. You still need good troubleshooting. You still need people with technical skill sets. That's not going away. And the more you automate, the higher those skill sets need to be.
Yep.
And so we've got to heavily focus on bringing the skill sets of the next generation up so that technology can add value. It's nice that it's there. It can do amazing things. But if the skill sets don't come up, it's not going to matter much.
I love it. I really like that perspective, George, because so many people are focused so much on the shiny, cool new thing, but then not really taking a step back and saying, hey, where are we right now? And I think your perspective, George, is all about, bringing people and technology closer. It's not about the shiny new thing. It's about taking what's out there right now and making it more effective, right?
Every time there is a technological breakthrough, it's because we've tried to make something that's an extension of the human brain, right? When we think about whether it's, smartphones, those things became an extension of what we needed to get done every day. And we just consolidated them and made them prettier and, all those things. But it wasn't, we're going to shake your day up and it's gone. It has to become an extension of who we are. Yeah. And same thing with IoT. It's gotta add value to who we are, and there has to be a pathway to get the human element to interface with that technology to add value to the organization. The technology is great, but if we don't act on it, or if it doesn't, add value in the human experience, it's not going to have a lot of adoption and not be very successful.